feel like I'm getting ill. Whoa, hiccups. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm a murderer. Oh, damn, I got more. I got more. I got
Coming
bad
up
hiccups.
next, a completely wrong way to spell Jennifer Aniston.
Janice A.
Time to vote.
Jenny and Fair Anus Town. What the fuck? I got real bad hiccups, guys. Ah. Whew. Ah. What was the sound? It's a whiplash. Oh man, Mahler, I'm so. Ooh, I'm sorry.
And next is
No
a rejected title for The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly was The Good, the Bad, and the Blank.
I'm the Doge. Whoa,
Vote
fuck
on
you!
your devices.
Fuck you all! I'm voting for Eggies because I'm not voting for mice. What do you mean you replaced Ugly with Winnie? The fuck do you mean, guys? I can't even defend myself since I got bad hiccups. I'm pretty sure that's Day's answer. Day or Seaver? Hiccup isn't wait. It's Wobster. Well, fuck you too, then. God damn it. It's meant to be one of the mods. Well, that only means one thing, Lobster.
Next up, the reason Pluto isn't a planet anymore.
It's up Lobster's asshole.
It's voting time.
One of them, I guess. Oof. Oh man, this hiccup looks really bad. I don't have any more tea. Ah! But that, honestly, I have a feeling it was either Doja or Sony. It was Doja. Jesus! How do you cure hiccups?
Okay, next one. The name of a painting Michelangelo was ashamed he
Oh my god, is
created.
it gonna be Winnie again?
Time to vote.
So, naked waves on a ceiling in Painto. I think we should get some more subscribers so we can get some more stickers on my face. Jesus Christ! I'm gonna have to go after this. I'm probably gonna do one more game and I have to go because I'm not feeling good, guys.
And
Ugh,
next,
no bueno.
a great nickname for your
I will
armpit
spin
hair.
for you. The
Vote on
GG
your
hair,
devices.
armpit air. I'll spin for you and then we'll see what happens. But I'm feeling like shit right now. I might have overdone it too quickly. We can, however, play some League of Stream. I just need to take a break. I feel really bad. God damn it! Let me yawn. Pow! Yeah, whoever is in the audience. Armpit air, pretty good. Yawn up. Yeah, right? So
That's
annoying.
the end of round 2.
It
Let's
feels
take a look at the
bad.
scores. And now, round 3, the
Really not
last
feeling good,
lash. Point values are
I think-
tripled, and you'll all
I think
be
it's
answering the
Dave's fault
same
because he made
prompt
me
this
drink
time.
too much at once.
Your last lash prompt is a movie that should never be made into a theme park ride.
Oh God. Ugh. 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 Oh, this is Quiplash, Trawler. Ugh. So only one person has to own it, and everybody else is playing can just join in, but one person has to own it. You're welcome. Ooh, I don't feel good. Adam feels so good, Mr. Zero. Yeah. Who's
And
this?
here's what you did. Give out your votes now.
Pajam, I can't even speak. Star Wars, Pog, everyone. Infinity War only half people get out. Final Destination, Pearl Harbor, Titanic. Mission Source of what the fuck? Was that meant to be Sea-Roar? Roar Sea? Fuck. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I have to go after this. I'm really not feeling good anymore. Lots of ill winnies here. Hey Kai, what's up? Party time! Not anymore though! Not anymore, I'm feeling very bad. Jesus Christ, Titanic. Look! You do more stream tomorrow. Oh no, it's right. I think I just drank too much. I think I drank too much drinks. Possible? I'm not finished though, Rose. You have to realize that.
That's all. Now for the final scores.
Is it gonna be Winnie again? Yeah! 3 times in a row, motherfucker!
Hi.
Ugh. Yeah.
Hi.
Fucking take it. You plebs. Plebs. Oh, hold on. Ah.
Hi.
Ugh.
Hi.
Do Drunk Stream League and play Gragas? I can do one game. I have never played Gragas in my life. Hold on. But let's do that. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be good times. Whoop. Yeah, Eagle, no, League. Okay, how do you play Graggy though? Can I... Ugh, no, Blizzard, no. League of Legends. Hiccups are real bad right now though. Go have some water. I probably should though. You're not wrong. What do you guys want to play though? I just, like, I don't want to, oof. I don't want to play something you guys don't want to play, but I'm gonna be really honest. I would I would love to go off right now and not, like, just go chill, because I'm not feeling good. I like the marbles. Marbles is good, but we're gonna play that again another time, I think. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave. Like, I look like shit too. I'm just, like, not feeling good at all. I think it might be the runny nose or something. I am sorry that we didn't get to really do, like, a super long party stream. I will play some League off stream with you guys. I just need to chill out for a couple minutes. Maybe like an hour or so and I'll be back. But we do a regular stream tomorrow. Oh yeah, we had a fun time. We had a great time today. I would love to thank everybody who subscribed and donated though. Thank you so much, guys. I just feel like crap right now. Just sound like shit? Yeah. Yeah, the hiccups aren't going away either. It's kind of annoying. I'm sorry, but we can play, we can play League off stream, I promise. I'll be back in like 30 minutes or so. I'll just kind of recover. Ooh, and if you guys want to play some League, yeah, you need to scare me, because you already probably did. That's how the hiccups started. But I'll play some League off stream with you guys. Gonna play WoW? Oh well, Hyoka's gonna play with me, I'm sure. Hyoka and Doge are gonna play with me, so that's fine. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all the great support today. Thank you so much. Sorry for not going longer than I thought I should. I don't know. I thought I was gonna go at least 8 hours today. But yeah, I just, I don't know. Everybody's getting ill around me. My aunt is ill, my grandma is ill, everybody's ill. So I'm kind of, maybe I'm getting ill as well. Who knows? Maybe it's the same thing, because the alcohol probably didn't help it too much. Do you play on EUS, Troller? You can join us, you can play with us. We'll be on Discord too if people want to join Discord. Oh my goodness. You can play later? Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be super cool if you guys wanted to play. I'm so sorry for leaving so early though. Hiccups super bad. Yeah. Keep making clips of the hiccups that I hate and cannot control. God damn it. It's really bad though. I don't have anything to drink right now, so. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out anyways. Dave, thank you so much for those super generous donations. Thank you everybody else for subscribing and donating. I'll put you on the credits scene, so you'll be there for sure. Thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber and you'd like to support me, you can turn off your ad block because I'll play a little ad now at the end of the stream. So if you want to do that, that'd be super cool. God damn it. And I'll see you again tomorrow. We'll be streaming WoW in the morning, guys. Morning WoW. Tomorrow. Most likely 8 to 9 a.m. 8 to 9 a.m. Central European time. I think I'll be starting around then. So if you want to hang out, if you want to chill at some WoW streams, then make sure to stop by tomorrow morning. I'll be here. If you join our Discord, you will get a notification anytime I stream or rerun starts, because it also shows the reruns. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful Saturday. Relzu, I hope you have a good time drinking whatever you choose to do with the drinks. And I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye, and thanks for hanging out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Jesus Christ. Freaking hiccups. Look. God damn it.